Hey folks, this is Maria Abreu coming to you live from our office. We're continuing to address questions posted by you, our subscribers. We want to thank you for providing us with these questions because the answers to these questions constitutes the content for the video, for the channel. So thank you for keeping the channel going by posting comments, by posting questions, and sharing your experiences. Keep it coming, folks. Here's an interesting question, and I'm so glad this question was asked because this is going to permit me, it's going to give me the opportunity to clarify something that a lot of people don't understand with regards to the residency process. So it says, do you tell me when to apply for the visa for the first part of the residency application process? In the process of applying for temporary residency, do you apply for a temporary residency visa at the consulate where you reside, or do you wait until you say it's time to apply for temporary visa part and then apply? Okay, guys, this is a very interesting question because although there is permanent and temporary residency, there is no such thing as permanent or temporary visa. Those categories do not exist within the visa realm. There's just a visa. And I have explained this before. A visa is a 60-day entry document. That's all it is. Now, to obtain the visa, you do have to submit a file and go through a process and show solvency and establish a category. Are you a pensioner, passive income, what have you? But there is no such thing as permanent and temporary visa. There's just visas. So a visa is issued. You got 60 days to enter the country and start your residency process. What category of residency you are going to apply for, you determine that after you have that visa. Is it temporary? Is it permanent through the investment department? You decide. Because residency categories such as investment, temporary, permanent are decided by immigration, not the consulate. Okay? So for instance, if you have passive income, 2,000 or more for the last 5 years, if you are a pensioner that earns 1,500 or more per year or per month, okay, you qualify for either temporary residency or residency under the fast track. You decide which. Now, foreigners married to a Dominican only qualify for temporary residency. You don't get permanent residency because you're married to a Dominican. You qualify for citizenship from temporary residency if you've been married a minimum of 2 years. So there are a lot of people that ask the question, can I get citizenship through marriage? You can, but first you have to go through residency. And that residency, family reunification will always be temporary. And if you've been married for 2 years or more to that citizen, then from temporary, you could jump off straight to citizenship, no problem. But after the visa is issued, that's when you decide temporary or permanent. But the visa is just a visa. It's an entry document that lasts 60 days. It doesn't matter if you are a millionaire, a pensioner, or married to a Dominican. 60 days, that's all you get. Now, once you get here, that's when you decide what category of residency you're going to apply for. Okay? If you have any further questions on the subject, please reach out to us via WhatsApp, email, or Vonage. Okay, if you don't want to call the Dominican number because it's a long distance call. We look forward to hearing from you. That's all for now. See you next time.